Guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Allure beauty box for February. It is now March 2nd, so I'm a little late, but I'm squeezing it in, trying to get it in there. All right, so if you're not familiar with Allure beauty box, this is a monthly beauty box, your guessed it, curated by the editors of Allure magazine. So these boxes have an assortment of full-size and sample-size products. They have recently increased the price. It used to be $15, it's now $22. But it's an amazing box if you're trying to not go, really expensive. It is a competitor in the beauty box world. I will link down below to my affiliate link to Allure beauty box. My mother-in-law gets this for me. It's like a gift. She's been buying it for me for a while. So I do pay for this. They don't send it to me. But anyway, I enjoy it. I think it's a great box, so we're just gonna get in here. So right on top, you see this is their like mini magazine. This tells you about all the items in here. They do have one item that's like this or that, like you don't get both, you'll get one or the other. Sometimes that works out to be the one that you wanted, sometimes not, but that's okay. So we're not gonna really peek at this until after we go through everything. I'd like to see everything before I spoil it for myself looking at the magazine. All right, so first off, I see a full-size product here. This is by Beauty. I don't know what that means there. U Beauty, it's on the back. This is a resurfacing compound. So this is a 1 ounce tube. And it says here, this U Beauty has developed a unique resurfacing compound featuring a patent-pending siren capsule technology designed to specifically target damaged skin without adversely affecting healthy skin. When siren capsules and free radicals meet, the capsule is activated and triggered, releasing a compound engineered to neutralize the look of aging and deliver gentle, effective ingredients to the entire skin to visibly resurface without the likelihood of irritation. Ooh, that sounds exciting, right? Smoother, brighter, and revitalized looking skin begins to emerge with only 3 to 6 days. Pores look diminished and skin appears to brighten and start. I'm falling into the trap here. I'm believing this. So apply 1 pump morning and night atop clean skin, massage and gently and finish with a moisturizer. If sensitivity or dryness occurs, use every other day. Avoid applying oil-based products beneath the compound. Oil can inhibit compound absorption and can cause pilling. Oh, yeah. Avoid the use of other resurfacing products. Always use sun protection. So that's exciting. I'm really excited to try that out. It sounds like it's got something cool going on, but sometimes that's all right, next up we have floss. This is the Lip Advocate Sheer Lip Tint in Your Honor. I actually really love, we've gotten like 3 or 4 floss items in, oh yes, 2 lip glosses, which were really nice. I liked both. I like their packaging. It's very cutesy, but for makeup, I kind of like that. I think it's cool. Not for skincare so much. But anyway, they also sent out this highlighter, and it's not cushion, it's not jelly, it's not powder. It is some weird mixture, and I really like their highlighter. It's beautiful on. It looks not natural, but a little, just like, it is kind of natural. It's a little extra, but like it's not crazy. It's not blinding. It's just beautiful. I love, that's like one of my favorite highlighters. I know it's so random. All right, but this is the lip tint, and it has the cool pink packaging. I just think that it reminds me almost of Glossier. Remember when they first came out? All right, so there's the, oh, that's pretty. Oh, so it really is. It's so sheer. If you're going to go for a natural look, kind of that's what I'm getting from their products. Everything that I've tried is like a natural makeup look. So that's really pretty. Just like a flush. You could probably use this on your cheeks too, actually. That's kind of cool. All right, so there's that. I like that a lot. I will definitely use that. All right, then we have, what is this? Some sort of a cream. Oh, this is Kristoff Robin. So this is the Creme du Jour Au Bois de Santal Daily Hair Cream with Sandalwood. So moisturizing care, anti-split ends, and anti-breakage. This is a 3.4 ounce. That's exciting. I actually love the Kristoff Robin scalp, what is that, exfoliator? I just think it's like the way it like, what is that? It like lathers is the word. There it is. I had to dig it out. It's just like, I love it. It's just so satisfying to use. So I'm excited to try this out. I have tried one of his products that I didn't like. Is it him that did that prickly? Did any of you guys remember there was a prickly pear cactus hair product that went out maybe in a BoxyCharm or Glossybox a couple of years ago, and it smelled so bad. I was like, I think it was Kristoff Robin. Maybe it worked really well. I actually did try it, but I don't remember thinking it was anything this way or that. But yeah, I was not feeling that product. But anyway, I'm excited to try this. It does smell like sandalwood, which is kind of nice. Sandalwood isn't awful. It's not my favorite, but it's not awful. All right. We've got 2 sample size products here and a mask at the bottom. So first off, we have, this is from Sisley Paris. If you're familiar with Sisley, their products are like mega expensive. So I'm excited to have a sample because frugal me ain't buying any of it. All right, so this is the Black Rose Cream Mask, instant use, smoothing, plumping, and brightening. This actually sounds similar to the Corez, that Wild Rose sleep mask. I love that. That is one of my favorites. Oh, it does have a rose smell, but it is like that artificial. It's not like that natural rose. But I'll definitely try that because you guys know I love me some rose. I love all florals. I'm like your grandma. That's me. All right. Next up, we have the La Roche Posay. This is the Anthelios Melt-In Milk Sunscreen. So it's water resistant up to 80 minutes, suitable for children and adults. So this is great to have just in your bag or whatever for days where you're out in the sun and you didn't think you'd be. Pop that baby on your face and make sure your cheeks don't get all red. All right, moving along here. You don't want melanoma, kids. You really don't. And you also don't want the aging that it causes, because just trust me. All right. Then we have the Medicaderma. That sounds like fun to say. 100% pure cotton sheet mask for fresh, youthful looking skin. This is a revitalizing mask. Never heard of this brand. It firms, brightens, moisturizes, and purifies. Kind of over the sheet masks myself, but I don't mind using one once in a while. In fact, I used one of those Dr. Jart rubber masks the other day, and it was wild. It was wild. All right, so anyway, let's get into the prices here. So first up is the U Beauty Resurfacing Compound. That is $148. Holy guacamole. So the box is $22. So if you're in the market for high-end skincare, this might be the box for you. Then we've got the Kristoff Robin cream, the full size there. That's $43. So we're already like way. We're like over 200, aren't we? At about 200 right now. The Floss Lip Advocate is $18. The Medicaderma Revitalizing Mask it's $20 for a pack of 10, so obviously it's $2 each. The La Roche Posay, that's obviously not a full size. Neither is the Sisley. The alternative to the Sisley was a L'Occitane Immortelle Divine Cream. I'm really happy to have gotten the Sisley. So anyway, as you can see, the value is there. The bang for your buck is there. It's whether you would use these products or not each month. So that's kind of something to think about when you subscribe. Like I said, I will link down below to my full review. I will also link to Allure, as I said before, so you can check them out. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.